The Virgen de los Remedios Parish Church located at Santo Domingo, Minalin, Pampanga. A peaceful and faith-filled stop in Pampanga, Virgen de los Remedios Parish Church welcomes visitors with its beautiful architecture, serene surroundings, and deep spiritual significance to the Kapampangan people. Dedicated to Our Lady of Remedies, this beloved parish stands as a symbol of devotion, healing, and hope for many faithful pilgrims. Whether you're here for prayer, reflection, or to admire its sacred beauty, this church offers a meaningful experience for every traveler seeking both culture and faith. Please subscribe, like, comment, share and press the notification bell for more video updates.